Aloha once again. Bev and I are here at Cucckoo Coconuts. It's like a tiki bar place here. And we're just gonna have some fun. Yeah, and I ordered the real pina colada. Kita niyo naman, diba? Ayan, they have live music. Very relaxing place. The ambience is great. Tsaka hindi siya crowded. Saktong-sakto lang. Ayan. Diba? Very nice. So ayan, let's just enjoy the night. And let's get drunk. Just had a good time. It was good. Love lang daw. Now let's take a walk. Ito dati ang musang kinokolekta. This is nice. Nauso to eh. Nalala, nauso to. At one point.
Celtic sa amin.
Ayan. Wala sa parang-parang dito. Oh, yun. Parang may street ano dito.
And they're like, oh, and they took him. I was like, oh, yeah,
Si Pikachu dito.
Yeah, Miss Josefina Valdez. Whoever won it, don't go away. There is a big line, always a big line. Yeah, now you go in. Yeah, you can be next. Yeah, just a big line. Excuse me. Eric! Eric!
So, we are back here in Waikiki Beach. Ito yung sa gabi naman. Ayan. You can see earlier, maraming mga ganap dito sa side ng kalsada nila. Parang ala Vegas din, may mga ano din sila, may mga ang tawag ito? Merong mga performers, mga ganon. May mga street performers, caricature, yung mga ganon. Tsaka alive na alive din dito kapag gabi. Ayan, may mga facilities pa dito, mga shops na open right now. And meron namang sarado na. Ayan. So, yun lang. Ang ating konting celebration for tonight. Spending our last night here in Honolulu before we head back home in Las Vegas. And that's pretty much it. Let's try to walk some more and then head back to the hotel. And guys, we are back in our hotel room. Dito nabitin. So dito na lang niya tatapusin ang kanyang happy-happy hanggang si Mother Dear nagpapahinga na. So ayun. That's it for today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Please don't forget to follow me on Facebook. My Facebook page is Bisayang Ilocana, together with my Instagram page is also Bisayang Ilocana. Again, this has been Kathy, your Ilocana Ilongga Bisaya gal, always saying, don't let anyone turn you away from your purpose and always live life for what it's worth. Thank you so much for watching. Bye! Aloha and mahalo!